Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your card from Spotify. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to spotify.com. Unfortunately, as of right now, it's not possible to do so on the Spotify app itself. So go on your computer or on your mobile and then search for spotify.com and then log into your Spotify account. And now you should be taken to this page right here. So what you are going to do on this page where it says update card, so click on update card. Now you should be taken to this page. Now what you are going to do now is to either link your PayPal or another debit or credit card in here to be able to actually remove your old one. But if you want to be able to remove your card completely, then you need to go back to this page right here. If you want to be able to remove that completely, you need to choose your plan right here. So click on your plan. Then you will need to cancel your plan or cancel subscription. Cancel plan in here and you will need to cancel your plan completely to be able to remove your card, because otherwise you will not be able to delete your card from Spotify. So the only thing you can do if you don't want to be able to cancel your plan is to change your either PayPal or another debit or credit card. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.